Hello friends, welcome to my channel Craftia by Handmade. In today's video, we will learn how to make cotton thread embroidery mirror earpiece. So, let's introduce the necessary materials. Number 1, approx 16 to 18 cotton threads. A embroidery frame. A regular cotton piece. 3 cm diameter mirror. Top base, a needle and scissor. So let's begin. Get the needle and thread ready, hold the mirror and start stitching likewise. Now stitch like this way. Stitch until it gets a triangle shape. Repeat the same process. And secure the center like this. Make a loop. Stitch it. So the final look is here. Cut extra thread. And cut the base cloth, leaving 2 cm extra from the side. Flip it. Apply glue. And fold extra parts, so that the base should not be visible from top. Take a cardboard piece, or you can also take any garment tag here. I need a 13 cm piece. Remember, the length of the tassel depends upon how long piece of cardboard you are taking. we have to make 3 pieces of thick tassel and also 3 thin tassel. Tie a knot. Remove it securely. Tie it properly. Again take a 40 cm long piece. Tie it here. And yarn like this. Tie 2 end parts. Cut the loops. Keep a light brush and cut evenly. All 3 thick tassels are ready. Now it's time to make thin tassel as well. Here all 6 tassels are ready. Now take a needle and attach a thin tassel. Take a thick tassel and stitch like this. Tie the knot. So our double tassel is ready. Make all 3 similarly. Now it's time to attach the mirror with these tassels. Stitch like this. Repeat the process. Now we have to fix the top base with it. Apply a strong adhesive. Fix the base and hold it for 2 minutes. Repeat. When it is done, apply glue to fix the extra parts. We have to cover it now, so take a similar color cotton cloth piece, give a round shape and fix it. Dab like this to secure it. Now it's ready to wear. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more dye tutorials. Be safe, be beautiful and take care.